Ndiba kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Ndoji nil nonwa kwezon.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chuku non So Captures. Ndibanya, I don't make it low. I found Chuku non So Captures, aka Mazi. Chakon, aka the photo cosmetic surgeon. And this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. So you already know why we do this. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So, today's Igbo name of the day is Ndidiamaka. Come on, say that with me. Ndidiamaka. Good. So, shout out to Ndidiamaka for sending her name in. So, I'm going to translate that name for you.